there! Thank you for watching my channel. Today I want to show you another leaf you can crochet. I'm still in the fall mood, so this is what I came up with. And I cannot identify which leaf or from which tree it would be, so I call it just another leaf. And this is the front and the back. And I'm going to use the same yarn for this leaf and a crochet hook 3mm. And first let's make a magic circle and then chain 3. And if you do not like the magic circles, then you can, for this leaf, you can chain 6 and then make a slip stitch in the first stitch, so you have a circle, and then in that circle you can crochet 3 chains. So I made my chain 3, that counts as a double crochet, and in that circle we are making 3 more double crochets. So 1, 2 and 3, and now make a treble crochet, so yarn over twice, in your magic circle drop a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now let's make a double treble crochet, so yarn over 1, 2, 3 times, in your magic circle drop a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So now chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and now we're going to do the same from this side on this side. So first you are making a double treble crochet, so yarn over 1, 2, 3 times, in your magic circle drop a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now let's make a treble crochet, so yarn over 1, 2 times, in your magic circle drop a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now make 3 double crochets, so this is your first double crochet, this is your second double crochet, and this is the third double crochet. Now chain 3, and then just tighten your magic circle, and I'm gonna do a slip stitch in the magic circle. Now chain 5, and now we are making the second round of this leaf, and just continue along this side. So here are your chain 3, and this is your next stitch. This is the double crochet, so you chain 3 and double crochet, and in this double crochet we are making a double crochet, chain 2, and in the same stitch make a double crochet, chain 1, in your next stitch is the next double crochet, make a single crochet, chain 1, into the next stitch, that's your next double crochet, make a double crochet, chain 2, and in that same stitch make a double crochet. So this is how it looks like now. So you made your first point and then a single crochet, and in the third double crochet over here you make your second point of your leaf. So this is what you are making here, this, this and this part. So now we're gonna go over to this pointy, that point of your leaf. So chain 1, your next stitch that's over here, that was your treble crochet, so over there make a single crochet and chain 1, and in the next stitch, that is your double treble crochet, over there we are making a double crochet chain 2, and in that same stitch make a double crochet. Now chain 1, and now we are over here at the chain 3 space. That will be the center of your leaf over here, this part over here. So we made I did chain 1, and then in that chain 3 space make a single crochet, and then chain 2, and then we're going to make a treble crochet in that chain 3 space. So yarn over twice, in a chain 3 space yarn drop a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, chain 2, and then in a chain 3 space make another treble crochet. So yarn over twice, in your chain 3 space drop a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now chain 2, so we can go down along this side. In your chain 3 space make a single crochet, and then chain 1. In your next stitch, that's your double treble crochet over here, make a double crochet on top of that stitch, so in the V. So make a double crochet, chain 2, and in that same space make a double crochet. So what you did over here, you're gonna repeat over here. So now chain 1, to your next stitch, that's your treble crochet over here, make a single crochet, and chain 1. In your next stitch, that is the double crochet, make a double crochet, chain 2, and then again make a double crochet in that same stitch, chain 1. In your next stitch, that is the second double crochet, make a single crochet and chain 1. And in your next stitch, here that's the last double crochet, make a double crochet, chain 2, and in that same stitch make a double crochet. And now chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then over here I'm gonna slip stitch to secure this round. So there's a slip stitch like this, and now we have to make the stem, and then it is all done. So chain 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Skip that first chain, and the next one make a slip stitch, and in every next stitch, so in total there will be 8. In every stitch make a slip stitch. And here's the last one. And then cut off your yarn, leave a tail. I don't have a scissor on hand, but cut your yarn and then make a slip stitch in the beginning over here, and then pull your yarn through, and then just weave in your ends, and that's how your leaf is done. So you can see it over here. Here's your leaf. Maybe you can see the difference between the blocked leaf. I blocked this one and I did not block this one, so the points are nicer over here, and I think it would be it would look better if I just put some diluted wood glue on top of it when I block it, and then the points maybe will be more sharp. But just see what you like for your leaf to be. And this is what I want to show you. The next video will be also a leaf, and after that I don't know what I'm gonna crochet, but I'll find something. There's always something to crochet and make a video out of it. So this is what I want to show you today, and I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me them, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and put on the notifications so you get a message when I uploaded a new video. And for now I just wish you happy crocheting. Bye bye.